Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Leadpages templates and funnels, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Leadpages account. Navigate to the dashboard where your templates and funnels are displayed. Select the My Templates section from the main menu. Choose the specific template you want to back up. Click on the three-dot menu icon associated with the selected template. From the drop-down menu, select the Export option. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the export action. Confirm by clicking Export again. The template will be downloaded as a .zip file to your computer. Now, return to the dashboard and navigate to the My Funnels section. Select the funnel you wish to back up. Click on the three-dot menu icon for that funnel. Choose Export Funnel from the drop-down options. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Export to proceed with the funnel backup. The funnel will also be downloaded as a .zip file. Make sure to save both files in a safe and easily accessible location. Consider creating a dedicated folder on your computer for all your Leadpages backups. Regularly repeat this process to ensure your templates and funnels are up to date. That's how you can effectively back up your Leadpages templates and funnels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.